Welcome to an exciting journey of innovation and creativity as we explore the first laneway shipping container house in Toronto, Canada, the Blockhouse. This incredible architectural marvel was designed by Project Studio architects in collaboration with Giant Containers. The Blockhouse is a two-story studio home built using two 20-foot shipping containers sitting above a precast concrete garage with a frontal deck and an entrance steel staircase on one side. The front door opens into an entrance lobby, complete with a sitting bench next to a horizontal slit window and a compact single-walled kitchenette on the opposite wall. The kitchenette boasts of white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. As you step further into the house, you will be ushered into an open-plan living space on one end and a bedroom nook on the other. The lounge area is tastefully furnished with two easy chairs, a coffee table, a wall-mounted TV, and a fluffy floor rug. The sleeping nook is fitted with a Murphy bed that can be drawn out as a bed for sleeping, or the space used as an office or a dining room during the day. One of the most outstanding features of the Blockhouse is the large glass wall on the front facade that allows natural light to flood the living room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. From the inside, there is no claustrophobic feel of living in a container box, thanks to the white and bright color palette of the interior, including the cabinetry, which makes the space appear brighter and more spacious. The house floor is finished with vinyl plank flooring, which gives it a sleek, modern look. The house is accessed using an external steel staircase connected to the front balcony, which is an extension of the living area, making it perfect for entertaining. The exterior of this shipping container house is home-catching, with the grooves of the shipping container walls painted black, making the house stand out atop a precast concrete garage, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. Would you live in this amazing shipping container laneway house? Kindly give us your opinion on what you think about this amazing shipping container house. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you are planning to build your own custom shipping container home, feel free to check out our amazing custom designs on our official website, sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.